Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. It is your friend Joe here, a trader, and I want to remind you in this video that trading prop firms is the way. And I have a lot of you guys that are trading prop firms at the moment. I just wanted us to have a little chat, a little talk, because look, trading is going to change your life, and trading has different ways. Of course, the personal accounts and the prop firm space. I believe most of us have heard of the prop firm space, and it is something that is going to try and change your life. But here is the catch: passing a challenge. Those of you that think are going for the funded route, nothing is easy. It's not easy, but what do you have to do as you to understand this space and to get a payout and consistently get payouts? So welcome to yet another episode. I'm excited to be here, and we are going to talk in depth. There are some topics I want to address about trading prop firms. If you're not new to the space, you understand that there are very many prop firms that are mushrooming. There are so many prop firms that are coming up at the moment. We have FTMO 5% as Alpha Capital, Funding Pips, Funded Next, Got Funded. There are many. Marvin Trading. I saw Wheels Capital. There are plenty of prop firms, and you cannot finish them. You can just go put into Google, go into chat. They can tell you there are plenty of prop firms. Maybe even more than we the traders. Okay, that's a joke, but there are many. You get the point. Prop firms are so many. And we might get lost in the noise of, YouTubers, of X, of influencers on TikTok, about payouts, about earning from trading, about flipping accounts. It is so easy to get lost in the noise, guys. It is the easiest. You will get lost in the noise, and sometimes it is hard to recover from that. But this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. Your trading journey is unique to yourself. It is very unique to yourself. You have to look at yourself and understand that, okay, this is my situation. I am trading for this, and this is how I'm going to do what? To benefit from my trading. I've gained from trading. I've seen people gaining from trading. I've taken students to profitability, and some are not yet there, but they are going to get there soon. I don't know if you're getting my point. That I've seen the space. I've understood a little bit about how prop firms work, and how can one survive in the prop firm space, in the prop firm industry. So my take is, of course, you have to learn and improve yourself. Sticking to one strategy is important. It is quite important. And understanding that the losses are part of it is something that you're going to treasure, even when you become profitable, right? So here is the thing. There are winning streaks and there are losing streaks. Those are there. If you're winning now, you might think you're untouchable, but you'll be touched. So how do we understand how to approach? In case I'm in a winning streak, I have to maximize what? My profits. I have to maximize my profits when I'm in a winning streak. Those of you, I'm talking to you, those that are winning at the moment, you have to maximize your profits, right? Do not just take 100 and I'm happy. No, if you can make 500 instead of 100, maximize the winning streaks, so that when the losing streaks come into play, you're still surviving. That is the best strategy that you're going to use in trading, either prop firms or personal accounts, right? Survive. You have to survive. That is the major point of concern. That is the major point of interest for this video. Those of you that are watching me for the first time, I always come here and talk to my young brothers and sisters. Some are my age, some are a bit older than me, about trading. I don't write a script to tell you, oh, these are the 10 steps you have to follow. No, it is just sort of a discussion, me and you. Sometimes I mess up with my words, other times we are good. So just bear with me, and let us continue with the video. So after understanding that there are winning streaks and losing streaks, and you have to maximize the profits and minimize the trading when you're in a losing streak. You see what I've done there? Winning streak, maximize profits. Losing streak, minimize your trading. Like if you've been doing 4 trades a day, when you're in a losing streak, just try 2 trades a day, or even 1, until you get back your aura in trading. I think it is very, very real. It is very understandable. If you're someone who is laughing at people, oh no, don't, because trading can humble someone. Trading can be very profitable, and when it is rewarding you, do not grow wings. You understand what I mean by growing wings? It is you feeling you're on top of the world. No, it can humble you. You can lose everything tomorrow. So relax, and we are going to be profitable. Trust me. You people that are watching this, you will remember this video someday that this guy talked about it, that it's going to happen. Yes, it is going to happen. You are going to find your edge, and you're going to be profitable. And remember my words: maximize winning streaks, minimize trading when you're losing. So these months have not been easy for a few people. For some people, they have been tough months. They have been really difficult to deal with, but it gets better with time. The conditions have not been favorable, especially maybe for gold traders. Some are getting, some are not. That's how the game goes. But you just have to understand that things get better and plan ahead. For example, you might want a 100K challenge, but getting 325Ks could be your way through. Or you might want a 10K challenge, but getting a 25K could be your destiny, right? Could be the way you're going to handle the 25K, could be even better. So you have to tune your process to yourself. You have to tune your trading to yourself. Okay, I did this and it failed. How can I improve? How can I get better? I think most of us don't do that. We lose, we feel sad, I've lost an account, and then boom, it goes like that. No, then you get another one. Understand that, why have I failed this account? I've failed it because of this and this and this. What can I do better? Yes. Then you go on to another account. Okay, you do better. Maybe you pass it, maybe you fail it. You keep improving every time. Every time you keep improving, that is how you become consistently profitable. We are not in the market to get plenty of money. We are in the market to get money, but we are here to understand, to spot out patterns. You get your strategy, you look at the chart, you understand, okay, this is how it is working. How am I going to use it to my benefit? The market is moving like this. No, not saying, oh, I know what it is going to do. It is going to do this. No. Relax. Be courageous. If you see your setup, take it. If you don't see it, do not take it. It is like pulling your heart out. You get emotional. You're like, okay, I've made this. No, it's okay to do that. But you have to see the patterns. You have to understand that this is my strategy, smart money concepts. And I'm going to see an order block. What is my entry format? My point of entry is this. Then when it comes, it shows up, you enter, right? If it doesn't show up, you leave. You don't enter the market. And that is how we are going. And that's how we are all going to be profitable in this space. That is how we are going to be able to milk some prop farms, because we have to survive. We have to be better every day. We have to keep improving, and we have to like do the things we love to do, guys. I want to shout out to the people, in Nigeria, in Somalia, in Ethiopia, South Africa, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Ghana. Shout out to all of you guys. I appreciate you for supporting this channel. I appreciate you for being here with us and getting better at trading. I have friends who leave comments in the comment section about how they have followed the journey and how they are trying to improve their trading. And it is beautiful to see. It is beautiful to see someone improving their trading every day. And if you're not yet improving, please just reach out to someone who might have some little knowledge. Be courageous. Reach out to me. I have a Telegram group, and some people can inbox me from there. Be courageous, because trading really works, and I'm also here to remind you that trading does work, and it works really well if you give it your all. Give yourself time. There is no rush. I know you want the money, you want to be profitable, but relax and learn and study. Relax, learn, study, improve, and the payout will come. Maybe not this year, but it will come next year. And when it comes, make sure that you've learned and you're going to be consistent. Maybe the market conditions are hard now, and next month they are going to be much better, and you will get your first payout. So relax. It is coming. I'm telling you, it is coming to your place. Profitability is coming, consistency is coming, and all in all, do not forget to pray to God, because He's the giver of everything. With God, we are full, but without Him, we are nothing. So shout out to everybody that has watched this video. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one that we shall make. Peace out. Bye.